Second one, Caleb. You know, Caleb name means dog. The names of the Bible, they have meaning. People name their children with the Bible name, biblical name, but they do not know the meaning. No one wants to name their children as a dog. They name their children as Caleb. Actually, Caleb means dog. Sometimes people name their children as. Some people think they think highly the biblical name. They thought Abraham is very good name. Abraham means it means father of many children. So let me tell the women, if you do not want many children, never take Abraham. Because the biblical name has the meaning a lot. Many people think they should just take the Christian name. In Kachin State, all their names are from Bible. They name their alcohol shop as Heaven. The seller is Mary. The drinker is Abraham and Jacob. They put the list of the debtors. Joseph 30 jets, 30,000 jets. Abraham 20,000 jets. Joshua 5,000 jets. All the names of the drinkers are from the Bible. I went to the jail in the Kachin State to preach. So I asked, is there anyone named John? Oh, many names. Put up their hands. I asked, is there any Abraham? A lot of hands went up. So I asked again, is there any Judas Iscariot? They said no one. All the names on the Bibles are in jail. So sometimes when I preach in Michina, it's so difficult. They say that Abraham is the father of faith. They never see the Abraham from the Bible. They only think about the Abraham that is in the jail with the drug dealing. So the biblical names are meaningful. If you want to name your children from the Bible, you need to know the meaning first. The Caleb means dog. Yesterday I talked about bones. Today I talk about dog. So easy to remember, right? Bones and dogs. You can match. So when I study about Caleb, it's very interesting. 17 to 20.